Do you want to add a bit of fun to your menu? Well, we got the perfect thing. Tabasco Scorpion Pepper Sauce. It really, really livens up any dish. So set your customers a challenge. We've got the ultimate spicy burger, and all I've done is mixed a small amount of scorpion pepper sauce with mayonnaise. That really will set the world alight. The next dish here we have is some buffalo wings, but they're no ordinary buffalo wings. These won't blow your socks off, they'll blow your head off. Using Tabasco Scorpion Pepper Sauce, a small amount of butter, and just toss some fried wings through it. Our Tabasco Scorpion Pepper Sauce is vegan, it's red hot, and it's waiting for you.